Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and today we're talking about an electric cordless air duster that was sent to me by a company called REESIBI. So glad they sent it to me. I love testing these air dusters. I've tested several others, and it's neat to see the different features that they have, and look forward to sharing that with you, and also timestamp this video so you can actually see when I tested it if you want to go to that part of the video. I will also be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you can check it out. If it makes sense, you can order it. Let's talk about what's included. So obviously you have the air duster. We'll get into the features here in a little bit. You have two nozzles. You've got this short nozzle without a brush, and then you've got a longer one with the brush. So that's nice. You got the best of both worlds. Then you also have a Type-C cable. You probably have a lot of these, just like your micro USB cables. You also have the user manual. You have this felt pouch where you can put everything in there, and that's actually a nice benefit that other companies that provide and sell air dusters don't have, so you can keep it protected and have a place to put all the accessories in when you are not using it. So a nice added bonus that they thought about. Of course, you also have the box. You've got all the specs listed there in the back, and so there you go. And this is a nice gift for somebody. And keep in mind, when people think of an air duster, they immediately probably think of it to use for a computer, but you can use it for in the house, outside the house, in your car. A lot of great places, obviously in your office, again with your computer. Now, this is currently selling for right under $80, plus they have a promotion, so when you go to click on the link, you can check it out. Now, as far as the quality of the product, it feels like a quality product. It's plastic, there's no rubberized handle or anything, it doesn't feel like it slips, and so it feels good. It feels solid. I don't feel any rattling or shaking, anything like that. Now, as far as the specs, let's talk about the specs. So the product has 3 gears. It has a low, medium, and high. It's got, the low is 50,000 RPMs, medium is 70,000, and the high is 90,000. Now let me go ahead and turn it on so you can hear those three, how loud it gets. So, and what you're gonna do to turn it on, by the way, you're gonna press and hold that nozzle for 3 seconds. Now it's on. So this is 50,000 RPMs. This is 70. And this is 90,000 RPMs. And then if you press it again, it goes back to 50. If you hold it for a few seconds, it turns it off. So that's how those features work. Now, as far as speed, as you can see here, I used a handheld device that checks the speed for miles per hour. I know it's not going to be exact. For some people say it's, oh, well, it may not give you the most accurate reading. This gives me mile per hour reading, and I got up to about 62.4 miles per hour. So at least will give you an idea of what this can put out. As far as charging, and the charging port is on the handle there, it does take up to 4 hours of charging. And as far as use, you get 25 minutes to 40 minutes depending upon what speed you use. So maybe in between uses or after a couple uses, you charge it up and you're good to go. You'll see it flashing when it's charging and a steady light when it's done. As far as the handle, you can turn the handle. So you can have the trigger by your thumb, or you could turn it and have it by your forefinger, so which is nice. So what I want to share with you next is where I tested it is outside. So a couple things. You'll see it in action where it's working and focusing on the seeds from the birds that I have and the squirrels, which they love that, the shells of the seeds, and then also how it got into the crevices in between wood slats. And then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. So there you go. Those are the highlights of it outdoors to give you an idea. I didn't really have a keyboard or something that's very dusty to show you that, but what I wanted to show you is where you might really see it get into those crevices, especially in between the wood slats. So I think it does put out a pretty good job for what it does. There are other air dusters that are more powerful. I like these over air canister, and I know that's a whole nother subject, but this works well. I think it's affordable, and again, I like the fact that it comes with the pouch. So let me know if you have any questions. There you go. Those are the highlights of the product. I appreciate the company sending it to me, and I hope this video is of help to you if you're thinking about getting this cordless air duster or thinking about getting one and hadn't heard about this, and now after this review, you got to see it in action. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.